It's day 2 of my Navigating Emotional Stress series, and I'm back today talking about what you can do to start eliminating some of the stress that you're experiencing with your emotions. So, yesterday was the first day we talked about why you struggle to express your true feelings. Now, I was having some trouble uploading that video, so you might just be seeing it today. You'll probably have to click on that YouTube link in order to see it, but you should be able to check it out if you click on that link below. It's about 25 minutes and it was pretty good information. So today's message is going to be short and sweet. We're talking about what you can do to start eliminating some of the stress you're experiencing with these emotions. So I am Nigeria. I'm a woman who values health, truth, authenticity, love, beauty, creativity, and innovation, as well as wellness. So I make it easy for people to eliminate the stress that they're experiencing and dealing with as it relates to their emotions. And so I have this series that I'm doing this entire week. Every single day I'll be up here sharing some tidbits and information, wisdom about navigating emotional stress. So today's message is going to be short and sweet because we're talking about what you can start doing to eliminate the stress. So, emotional stress, what is it? Emotional stress is what we experience when we are dealing with emotions that are difficult to experience, difficult, unwanted, uncomfortable emotions. Okay? Emotional stress is the overwhelm that we feel when we're dealing with all these unwanted emotions that we don't know how to manage. We have pressure, we have overwhelming responsibilities, we have people that are putting all these demands on us and we don't know how to respond to these demands, and all of this creates emotional stress. I'm trying to get some good lighting out here. I'm outside and seeing if I can get me some natural sunlight, but I think that'll be good enough for right now. So that's what we experience when we're dealing with emotional stress. And this is one of the reasons why a lot of us don't want to even have anything to do with emotions. So realistically, there are a ton of different ways that you can begin to relieve and resolve emotional stress. I can give you almost 20 different ways that you can begin to relieve and resolve some of your emotional stress. But today, I'm only going to talk about one simple thing that you can start doing. So, one of the easiest and best ways to get started to reducing the stress you're experiencing with your emotions is to stop hiding them, okay? Stop hiding and start identifying. Stop hiding and start identifying. The process of hiding your emotions, that process in of itself creates unnecessary stress, because when you hide your emotions, it's almost like being constipated, because the concept of an emotion is energy in motion. Energy likes to move. Energy needs to move. So when you experience an emotion, you need to understand how to go through a healthy process that will allow you to explore that emotion, gain all of the benefits that's necessary, the lessons and the wisdom, and then be able to release and let go of that if it's no longer helpful for you. So stop denying, start identifying. When you are stressed out because someone's pissing you off, someone's asking you to do something you don't want to do, you are dealing with anger, frustration, disappointment, betrayal, all those uncomfortable, somewhat negative, or what people call negative emotions, you want to start identifying them. How do you feel? What are you feeling? What are you experiencing? Because the moment that you begin to identify them is the moment that you will begin to naturally move closer in the direction of finding solutions to dealing with whatever emotion you're experiencing. So that's my wisdom for you guys today. If you are feeling called to connect with me because you're dealing with any kind of emotional stress, people pissing you off, overwhelming responsibilities, pressure on the job, pressure in life, and you feel called to connect with me, you can send me a DM or click on the link below. If you're on YouTube, you can click on the link. If you're on Facebook, you can send me a DM that says, with the words emotional stress, to let me know that you are interested in having a free call with me so we can talk about how I might be able to support you. So I'm doing coaching sessions. I also have personal retreats that I do. I have a retreat right now that I'm offering called De-Stress and Express. It's a great opportunity for somebody who needs a break. We will sit together for the entire day at your own personal day retreat that will allow you to relax, to let go, to release. And you have the option of tailoring this personal retreat to your own needs. So if you need to release some anger, you need to get rid of some rage, or you simply just need to get rid of some stress that you've been dealing with, this is a perfect and wonderful opportunity for you to experience this level of support. So reach out to me, send me a DM if you're on Facebook, click on the link if you're on YouTube, and I will talk to you guys later.